So when a couple goes for getting investigated at a fertility center and they come to know that the male factor is also involved, that is the male partner or husband has also got some problem. So today we'll be discussing that how that these problems can be averted. I am gynecologist Professor Dr. Ruchika Garg from Agra. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel has so many videos related to women's health and pregnancy. Subscribe to these channels for authentic information in a very short form. So the semen parameters, when we get tested and we find that certain motility issues or certain there are differences in the shape or the morphology, we called it, in the semen parameters. So how to combat that? For that you need to stop smoking, because the tobacco content, smoking or anything related to tobacco like pan masala, khani, because the sperm parameters are reduced, the sperm motility, how they move is markedly reduced by using tobacco products. You have to also reduce your consumption of alcohol. Moreover, if you are working somewhere where there is high temperature, then you need to change your environment, because high temperature is detrimental to the health of the sperms inside the testes. It increases the scalded temperature and it is not good for the health of the sperms. So if you are working in where factories where the temperature is high, or furnaces or bricks or chudi like that, or if you are in an environment where pesticides are being used, try to avoid contact of these pesticides with your skin. Likewise, you have to maintain a healthy lifestyle, because if you are obese or you are overweight, the testosterone content is reduced and your estrogen content is increased. So, it is detrimental to the sperm morphology as well. You have to incorporate a healthy lifestyle in your diet in the form of daily cycling, swimming, jogging, walking, anything, because nowadays with the environment, we are doing very less of physical work, which is a healthy weight is very much required. Supplementation with zinc is very good for the sperm health. Sometimes we use aluminium utensils, they replace the zinc in your zinc with aluminium, so avoid using aluminium supplements. High dose of vitamin C has also been found to be very useful. So in the various researches, even 1000 to 2000 milligram per day of vitamin D has increased the sperm motility. So increase the vitamin C content of your diet. Vitamin C is not stored in the body, it has to be taken daily, and citrus fruits and vegetables, they contain high amount of vitamin C. If we consider an Ayurvedic treatment, then use of methi and ashwagandha has been found to be very much beneficial for a male factor. Likewise, use of coenzyme Q supplements, use of zinc supplements, use of L-carnitine supplement and D-aspartic acid supplements has also been found to increase the sperm motility, because these are all antioxidants. For taking antioxidants naturally, you can use too much of fruits and vegetables. In the paleo period, that is when we were hunters and gatherers, what was the source of food for us? It was, we used to pluck the fruits, we used to pluck the vegetables, but nowadays we are only using cooked foods, out of which most of the fruits and the nutrient content is reduced to a much extent. We are using maida or white flour, which is very less nutrient dense. So you need to use more of uncooked fruits and vegetables, and so many servings you should take, eat enough of fruit salads. So these are the few things which you can do, and always avoid using this thing over your laptop, computer, over your thigh, and use loose underfitting garments, because tight undergarments can increase the scrotal temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So maintaining healthy lifestyle, eating too many of fruits, vegetables, and avoid working in a harsh environment, and take 8 hours of sleep and be stress free, because cortisol, when we are stressed, then the cortisol level, the hormone, it is increased and it is detrimental to the health of the sperm. So I will love to hear your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.